Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This is a twin cylinder, middleweight sport cycle, fuel injection, liquid cooled, beautiful metallic black paint scheme. This bike only has 4,143 miles on it. Fantastic shape, never been down. Really cool fender eliminator on the tail section, and is an integrated tail light. Turn signals on either half. Come by, make your sport cycle dreams come true right here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.